Let's begin with single leg lift. Lie on your back, engage your core muscle and lift up your right leg till 90 degree and bring it down. Repeat 15 times each side. Now repeat on other side. Now, double leg lift. Repeat 20 times. Make sure your back is kissing the floor. Without giving up, hold on 90 degree for 10 seconds. Now, 45 degree hold. And 30 degree hold. Don't give up. You're exactly where you have to be. And relax. 30 seconds rest. Next is seated single leg extension. Stretch your right leg forward and bring towards your core. Make sure your core is strong and back is straight. Repeat 15 reps each side. Now switch the leg. Without rest, start double leg extension. Keep your core tight and back tall. Make sure you balance well. Or you can always keep your hands on the floor for the support. Give 20 reps. Now hold in both position for 10 seconds. And relax. Rest for 30 seconds. Next, hip lifts. Begin on your back, legs at 90 degree, engage your core and push yourself up. And slowly lower your hip to the floor. It's a very good exercise to strengthen your core muscles. And shoulder stand hold for 15 seconds. Relax. Again 30 seconds rest. Next, scissor and shoulder stand. Lift your hip up with the help of shoulder and hands. Balance your body and touch the floor with the legs alternatively. And relax for 30 seconds. The traditional crunches for lower and upper abs. Grab a pillow or 2 kg weight. Make a straight line with your hands and lift up your upper body by engaging the core muscles. Exhale while coming up. Give 25 reps. and relax for 30 seconds. Next, plank hold for 15 seconds and up and down in plank position for 20 reps. Make sure you are pulling your core towards spine. Relax for 30 seconds. Repeat the plank hold for 20 seconds this time and twist your sides left and right by keeping strength in your arms. Repeat 20 times each side. Rest for 30 seconds. Next, cycle crunch. Lower back press to the ground, pull your navel in, hands behind your head, bring your knees in towards your chest and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Repeat 25 times each side. Double leg swing. In the same position, swing your legs outside and inside by engaging the core. Repeat 10 times. Relax for 30 seconds. And the last exercise is side plank hold for 20 seconds. Now, swing your hand underneath your body. Repeat 12 times. Repeat the entire exercise on the other side. And you are done.